Hello, this video we are going to review area and perimeter with Miss Lott.
And Mrs. Muley. Area is how many square units cover the surface of a shape. Length is the longest side. Width is the shorter side. Area equals 5 meters times 3 meters. Area equals 15 square meters. Remember, to calculate the area of a rectangle, multiply length times width.
Now, in this example here that Miss Muley just discussed with you, notice they gave us 5 meters. We determined 5 meters by counting the square units that we see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here my length is 5 and my width is also 3. How did we get 3? We simply counted the square units. 1, 2, 3. So here when we say area equals or A equals, that's where you're simply going to write your equation, length times width. You're going to substitute L or your length for 5 and you're going to substitute W, which stands for your width, with 3. And then just like Miss Muley's problem, 5 times 3 is 15 square meters. Now notice I'm spelling out square meters. In your activities today on Google Forms, you are going to have to write this out, not use the abbreviations. So square meters. Now, real life examples. Where can I use area? Why is this important to learn? If I wanted to carpet my bedroom, I need to figure out the area of my bedroom. Now, my bedroom, and in fact, even my kitchen, my living room, they are all rectangles or squares. So I could simply measure my length and measure my width and find that area. So that way I know how much carpet to cover the entire floor in my bedroom, in my kitchen, in my living room, and then I'm able to carpet my entire house. Now I need to use the area to figure that out. Now moving forward, Miss Muley is going to take it away with perimeter.
Okay, now perimeter is the distance around a shape or object. To calculate the perimeter, you add up all the sides. So look at our rectangle. It says perimeter equals side plus side plus side plus side. Perimeter equals 5 meters plus 5 meters plus 3 meters plus 3 meters. Perimeter equals 16 meters. Now let's take a look at our triangle. Perimeter equals side plus side plus side. The perimeter equals 4m plus 4m plus 3m. Perimeter equals 11m. Remember, all you have to do for perimeter is to calculate all the sides.
Awesome. Thank you so much. So just like this example here that we previously had, notice this is a rectangle. This rectangle has 4 sides. That means to find the perimeter, we are going to be adding all 4 sides together. If you were to have a triangle, that has 3 sides, so you're going to be adding 3 sides. Today, you're going to be primarily focusing on rectangles, which has 4 sides. Now, it's very important to label all 4 sides, and you might want to write that this side length is 5, this side length is 3, here is 5, and here is 3. That's making sure I have all 4 sides. So just like before, we had side plus side plus side, which many of you might realize here that you can also rewrite this as length plus length plus width plus width. Now, here, if I was to add this together, I have 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 3. Now, when you are adding this together, if you need to take it in 2 parts, that's fine. 5 plus 5 is 10. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now, 10 plus 6 gives you 16 meters as my perimeter. Now, why is perimeter important to know? When can I use this in the real life? We carpeted the inside of my house, but now we also need to make sure I have a fence out in my backyard. So I really want a nice new fence for the springtime, and I need to figure out the perimeter of my backyard. Luckily, my backyard is also a rectangle, so all I need to do is measure my length and my width of my backyard. Then I could determine all four side lengths of my rectangular backyard. Now, once I have those four side lengths, I can simply add them together. And that is going to tell me how much fencing I need to cover my entire the distance of my entire backyard along the edge of my backyard. And now imagine where your fence could be in your house, or if you see a fence at a playground, it's on the outside. It's the distance around the rim or the outside of the playground or your backyard. That's where you put fences. In order to determine how much fencing you need to find the perimeter. And that's where perimeter is very, very important to use in real life. Now this video, please refer back to this at any time. Miss Muley and I are here both to help you learn area and perimeter. So please refer back to this at any time on my YouTube channel.